Hey guys, Matsupatty, how are you? Welcome to MPAI Labs. Today we're gonna talk about some tools that is going to help you with your AI journey. AI is everywhere. So I'm going to give you like the top 10 that is going to help you and some alternative. And I'm going to share my screen. And first we'll do some intros and I will let you know what we're up to. All right. So first thing I want you to do is come to our Facebook community. Check out the MPAI Labs. We got 10,600 members and it's growing. On here, you'll see some tips I've given you and you'll see other people artwork and it goes on and on. So definitely check out MPAI Labs, okay? Next thing is another tool that we built for you and it's growing, thank goodness. It's called indexai.us. On here, you can go by categories. If you are a new AI, platform, you can submit your tools, we'll feature you. But on here, it has different features of tools, what we use constantly, okay? And you can see my streaming here. Definitely go check that out. We have an AI assistant on there that would help you. And then definitely check out more of my YouTube channel, MPAI Labs. Definitely is the MP Entertainment. And when we do series, is based on stories that I come up with AI generated images. So definitely check that out. And if you're a sales team that needs help in your sales and you want to increase your sales, definitely check out Sales Pulse. This is an AI real-time training partner. Would give you like real scenarios. Okay, so I just had to put that in. All right. One of the things I want to talk to you about is the first thing that everybody talks about is ChatGPT. Okay, it's very powerful. It's easy to use. It's just have a conversation with it. If you don't know how to use ChatGPT, you can come here, log on in your email. There's a free tier. I have the plus tier, which is $20. Okay. So when you log on, you're going to be using the 5.2. On your left-hand side, if you're brand new, you won't have none of these. Okay. None of these down here. But, you always want to start with a new chat and you come here and you speak to it. Okay. Exactly what do you want to do? You want to do images. You need good prompting. Just speak to it. If you're basic, if you don't know anything, definitely check out my Stand Store. I give you lots of free prompts. Okay. While you're here, you can add photos, create images. It can do deep research for you. It can compare shopping research. You have an agent mode. It'll study with you. Okay. If you need some type of studying, there's web research. It is converted with, now you can do Canvas. You can do Spotify. There's quizzes, and you can come here, which is explore, and you can come and explore everything that ChatGPT, have in here, and it will definitely help you. If you notice all this, here's the feature, lifestyle productivity. Okay, use it as a tool. Don't fall in love with it. Okay, and it's technically not your therapist, okay? You can check out different medication side effect. You have to know how to use this particular tool, okay? I use ChatGPT, majority of the time, okay? Another tool that I use, believe it or not, is in the Google ecosystem. They have so much going on. This is another LLM. This is the Google AI Studio. Okay. In here, you have, the Gemini 3 Flash. You have Nano Banana Pro. If you want to use that, you can, create videos with the latest, the VO 3.1. You can turn text to audio. You definitely need to come in here and check everything out. And yes, it's free. Okay. It's free. Use it. Okay. You can build apps. You can chat with the model. There's tons of different things on here. And I use your playground's basically going to be like your where you're going to prompt. Okay. And also it has your history down here. If you're brand new, you're not going to have this. Okay. And you can get your API key here. I'm not going to get into that yet, but you can come on here and use, the Google ecosystem, which is really, really great. Okay. The next LLM that I usually try to use is, excuse me, LM Arena. It's also free. And you're like, why are you using so many LLMs? It's because sometimes ChatGPT, which we all know, CT, likes to hallucinate. I don't know why, but here, you can ask it for prompts. You can do images. If you're going to do images, you can come here. You have to click on images. You see that images, and describe the image that you want. Okay, it's actually pretty well. Here they have different drop downs. But you want to keep it at, if you're doing images, definitely keep it at battle, okay? On the left-hand side, this is all my history that I can go back and look at it, okay? The next thing that if I don't even feel like using none of that, I will use Perplexity. Perplexity lately is my go-to. I do have the pro plan, but if you weren't following me back in December, I use it for free because I have it for a whole year. Okay. I think it's, I don't know what the plan is now. Maybe it's like $20. Okay. But it can do deep research for you. It is very well versed, and it is comparable. It'll go out if you're searching for everything. It'll give you like multiple resources. Okay. You can upload here. On the left hand side is my history, and they have different space, finance in here. Perplexity is an amazing, amazing, amazing tool because I like to compare, whatever I'm running on CT, I'll run it on Perplexity, and I always go sometimes, actually 99.9% of the time, I will go with Perplexity. It's a very, very intelligent. Okay. Now we're going back to the Google ecosystem. NotebookLM. I truly, truly have to do a whole thing on here. Now, NotebookLM is amazing. Okay. If you notice, I have a podcast. It will actually give you different ways to upload your sources because it's based on sourcing. Okay. You can upload your file. You can do websites here if you want to. Okay. You can do a URL or copy and paste any website here. And, you have to add your sources. It cannot just be blank. Okay. Once you add your resource here, it's going to run everything for you. And you can come here. It can turn it into an audio, a video. It'll give you reports if you're studying for any type of classes or anything like that. It'll give you flashcards, quizzes. It has so much, and it's free. I don't pay for this. I eventually will have to pay for it because I'm doing a little bit more with my podcast. But it's a great resources that will definitely, help you utilize everything. It'll give you charts. It's amazing. So once again, you have to add your source here. In the source, you can actually, search for the website you want to, upload. You can do the actual, copy and paste the link here. You can do the drive. You can copy text if you want to. You just got to give it like 2 or 3 resources, and it works so well. Okay. And, I have been searching different subject, for my podcasts, and I added all these resources. I broke everything down, and you can actually type your information here, and it actually, has given me like different breakdowns regarding this. So Notebook LLM is phenomenal. Use it, okay? Learn it. It's free, guys. It's amazing. Now, another source that everybody is talking about is Claude, okay? Claude is great. It is. I use it once in a while. I. It's amazing when you do coding. You just log in with your email, like right here, and I feel like sometimes Claude is like more advanced, but speak to it. It's another LLM, and I have the free plan. I like to do free to try it out. But my brother uses this. I don't use it a lot, but it can assist to customize anything. And if you have not seen the news, okay, Mopebot or Claudebot, well, formerly known, does use the Claude code, okay? So, but as for me right now, I just use it for basic prompt, okay? But this tool, eventually for the Matsupatty ecosystem, we're going to use this a little bit more, okay? Now let's talk about music. We all know that music is huge right now. Everybody goes into Suno, okay? I used to have the free tier, but now I have the paid tier. Look like I have like 2380 credits. On here, you can create different music if you want to. You can, simplify it, customize it. It's great. I write my own lyrics. I sometimes, will put it into an LLM and ask them to change out certain things to make it, to make it flow a little better. Copy and paste your lyrics here. You have different styles, okay? You can do basically, depending on which genre you're trying. They have like presets on here, the glitch bass, the glitch core, driving bass, if I can read. But I always do, if you want to do, female lead, multiple languages, you want K-pop, T-pop, heavy metals, stuff like that. They also have in advanced mode, okay, on here. So you can play with that. I don't play with it because I'm not a musician, but a lot of people come here. And on here, it doesn't feel, the music feel realistic, okay? There is a battle going on regarding who owns music, just letting you know. So if you don't like Suno, there's other platforms that you can do. What I do, one is TUNNEE AI, okay? I always tell you that I have an affiliate with them, okay? It is an actual agent. You describe your music. When you come on here, I think you get 150, credits for free, okay? But it's an actual agent. You describe your music and it starts cooking, okay? Literally. And then it goes and it will create the music for you. Oh, here. It actually looks like this. Once, I'll go, okay? I describe exactly what I want. TUNNEE will do their thing, okay? I wanted for this one, like an EDM/K-pop mix. It gave me like 3 different versions that I want. I said I want all of them. And, it gives you the lyrics that I put in, the music prompt, and, here's my outcome. Excuse me. Now, TUNNEE is a little bit different from Suno. Huge difference, okay? Say that you're interested in this. You can actually download it different ways. You can do an MP3, you can do the RAW, you can do the actual video or the LRC, okay? Also, you can get STEM, okay, that's new. Copyright certificate, Suno does not have that. And, you can report this track, okay? So huge difference. And the sound, I feel sometimes is 100% better than Suno. You just have to play with it. It's really, really good. Okay. There's other alternative too on there, but you can go and check out my other video regarding that. The next thing, I run this locally, but Deepseek AI is another open source that is really good for you, and you can access it for free. And it can plan certain things out. Like for here, I wanted a 3-month weight loss program, and this I ran in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gave me like basic stuff. Here it breaks everything out, and I truly, I am actually following this. Okay, so it's really good. And it gave me like what I need to focus, my 3-month plan, between the nutrition, the exercise. It's, it does more deep research instead of, ChatGPT. Okay. And another one that I wanted to let y'all know is I'm actually starting to use Grok, believe it or not, but it's a hit or miss when it comes to that. Oh, yes. So let's talk about voices. Voices is another thing that everybody is talking about. ElevenLabs. Okay, you can do so much on here. I do have a paid plan, by the way. On the left-hand side, once you actually just, sign in. Yeah, once you sign in, on the left-hand side, you have your home, okay? You have voices that you can explore. You have my voice, default text-to-speech. I have like different histories and settings that I play with. You can do a voice changer. That's very important. Upload here, and you can actually, change your voice on there. I have not played with sound effects that much, but like simple sound effects is fine. Okay, it actually give you like realistic. I needed a realistic sound effects, for a person walking slowly through like the cold. I couldn't find it anywhere else. But when you come to ElevenLabs, you can play with this. Like it gives you like 3 or 4 different things. Very, very good. I do not play with a voice isolator. Image to video, I have not played with. That's probably pretty new. So, come in here and definitely check that out. They have different templates that you can actually explore. So besides, ElevenLabs is just for voices. It's growing pretty well. You can start out with the free tier, but like I said, once I have the paid tier, so you can do dubbing. It also has music. I prefer another music platform, between TUNNEE and Suno. I have not explored this at all because there's specific things that I do, but you have tons of options. The free one, and the paid one. So as a beginner or like mid-range, try to, definitely do the free one because you're going to make mistakes. Okay. So there is one more thing that I wanted to show you, but I thought I postmarked, but I did not. But once again, you can come. Let me share my screen one more time. You can come to Index AI. That is part of the Matsupatty ecosystem. Come in here, play with the different features, and you will get a discount. Okay, so definitely just come in here, click on, and when you see special offer, that means if you use here you get a special discount. But yes. And we're adding, I think 3 to 4 new AI tools weekly. Once again, I'm pushing this. It's free. You don't have to pay. You can go to indexai.us. So those are the AI tools that we use constantly, and hopefully it can help you. Remember, don't forget to sign up for the newsletter. It's free. We're always featuring tons and tons of different AI since it is evolving like within seconds, literally. And don't forget to sign up for our Facebook community. I give out a lot of free tips. And I forgot to do this, my Sand Store. If you go to my Sand Store, let me bring this back up. There's some free stuff on here. Yeah, there's some free stuff on here. Let me do this. Come here. It's stand.store Matsupatty. You can get free prompts there. I'm going to give something else for free too. And you also have the planner, which is on sale. Click here. Okay, that's the affiliate. You'll get a 14-day free trial and for the newsletter. Okay. If you want the easy prompt, it's $7. But I'm going to put like 2 more free things on there since we're in February. So yeah, please check that out. Remember to hydrate, stay kind, prompt well, and I will talk to you later. Ja, what's today?